Hello everybody! Welcome to today's stretching and mobility session. We're going to start in a seated position. Bring your arms up towards the sky, palms together. Normally I like to start with my palms facing down for grounding, but today we're going to start with our palms facing up to receive. Starting with very slow neck rotations, we're going to do 2 repetitions to your right, and then slowly transitioning to the left. In this moment, you are choosing in which you would like to receive. This could mean welcoming more gratitude into your life, more happiness into your life, or even healthier relationships. Doing a back of the neck stretch here, I'm going to interlace my fingers, distract up lightly, and then pull my chin in towards my chest. Making sure that we're not slouching forward too much, keeping our shoulders relaxed, and taking deep breaths through the belly. Next, we are slowly going to transition into our cat-cow, making sure that our wrists are stacked underneath of our shoulders and our knees underneath of our hips. Very slowly rinsing out our spine, you'll start in your first cat, drawing that chin in towards your chest, separating the shoulder blades and rounding the spine. As you drop into your cow, very slowly, you will arch your back, drop your belly button towards the floor, and lift your chin towards the sky. Extending our right leg back, we're on the balls of that right foot, gently moving back and forth through the ankle. Lifting that right leg towards the sky, we're going to extend the opposite arm, pulling in that belly button and squeezing your core. You should not have an arched back in this position. Reaching towards the front wall and pressing that back heel towards the wall behind you. And now we're going to switch. So your left leg is going to extend. We're on the balls of that left foot, gently waking up the ankle. Extending that right leg, squeezing the core and pulling the belly button in. Now we're going to slowly roll onto our back on the floor, whether you're on your rug or your mat. Bringing our knees together, feet together, and dropping our legs towards the left. Left arm is extended. These are called open books. Extending that right arm towards the sky and reaching towards your right. And now we're going to drop our knees to the right. Right arm is extended, and we're going to bring that left arm up and over, reaching for the opposite wall. This is a great movement for your thoracic spine and to help relieve lower back pain. Slowly, we're going to come to a standing position into our yogi squat hamstring stretch. Very slowly, we're going to fall forward, bringing that chin in towards our thighs. Opening up the spine here, deep breathing. Grabbing both elbows if you may wish. This is actually a yoga pose called Ragdoll. Just hanging out for a second. And now we will get ready to drop our hips. Chin and chest up towards the sky. Feeling a deep stretch in your pelvic or hip area and the inner thighs. Just going back and forth very gently into our yogi squat / hip opener. And then standing, locking at our knees for a hamstring stretch. Now my left hand is going to grab my right foot for some more thoracic rotations. Our right arm is going to rotate and extend up towards the sky. And now we will transition so our right hand grabs the left foot, left arm extends and rotates towards the ceiling. Taking a deep breath through the belly as we release and rotate up towards the sky. Final movements here, we're going to be face down on the floor. These are called scorpions, and they're great for rotating and loosening up the lower back. Back and forth, right leg is going to come up and over the left, rotating at the hips and the lumbar. Making sure our shoulders are relaxed and breathing through this movement. Next, we're going to throw in a little shoulder opener. So our left arm is going to extend, palm facing down. Our right leg is going to come up and over the left, and we're just going to hold this position here. Deep breathing through the belly. We'll feel a nice shoulder opener on the left side, and then a nice opener on that right hip and lower back area. And slowly we will transition. So our right arm will extend, left leg, we will bend the knee and bring it up and over the right. Feeling a nice opening in that left hip and left side of the lower back, and feeling a nice opened rotation in the right shoulder. I want to thank you for joining me today. We're going to finish in a seated position. Taking a deep breath in, we will extend our arms up towards the sky, palms together. As we lower our hands, we're breathing out. Thank you for joining me in today's session. I'll see you next week.